Okay. All right. So today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you guys how I caught a loss, but I'm going to show you exactly why I lost. I was kind of rushing the market today, but it was still pretty clean. Let me see. Actually, let me go back. As you can see, we're on a new background. We're actually in Virginia for my wife's birthday. She loved me. She loved me not. Um, Let me see. Oh, I lost 11,180. It was a big loss, but realistically, it was only because I was risking a lot, and price had a huge expansion to the upside. As you can see, this right here, this is what got me. And as you can see, my name is Lick, so I am liquidity for sure. Um, Let me back up a little bit. Okay, just a tip. Whenever price is creating a lot of highs and lows and highs and lows and highs and lows, it will not always come to take liquidity to the downside. It will sometimes just kind of expand to the upside, as you can see. Like, for example, right here. I knew initially we were in somewhat of a downtrend, but that was basically for like Monday and Tuesday because we took out liquidity here, took out liquidity here, took out liquidity here, and we did not go lower. Well, as you can see, also with these highs and lows, it just price is just kind of showing you that after consolidation, we're going to catch some type of sweep. It may not be a higher time frame sweep, but it will be a lower time frame sweep. Let's see. Let me mark it out how I actually had it, because right now it just looks like it was a clear buy, but let me fix this. Okay, so I marked out my high and my lows. I actually marked out every high and low in the 1 hour, because that's kind of what jacked me up today. I was kind of rushing. I had to get a haircut in the morning, and we had to hurry up and get on the trip. So that's why I'm kind of all over the place right now. This is a high. This is a low. It's actually not a low. This is a high, and this was a low, and this was a low. I just marked these out just because they were like equal lows, and I was like, well, every time I see this pattern, it never comes back to the downside. But I wanted to see if I could catch a quick sell because we already swept the previous high. So then I draw down to the 5 minute. Um, After we see this liquidity sweep, I see an expansion again to the downside. I also caught this right here, but I ignored that. I'm just gonna do this. 5 minute had a fair value gap, and it actually got retested literally right here. I'm not gonna lie. While I'm making this video, I'm a little bit nervous because my wife is listening to my every exact words. So it's a little bit new for me. Bear with me. So after I marked out this fair value gap off the 5 minute, I was waiting for price to come retest this zone right here. I'm gonna show you guys. And I was actually patient with this trade, but it was a clear buy signal. But once I went to the lower time frame, I kind of stuck with my bias. I actually had those as my take profits. Um, okay, so we catch the candle to the downside, then we catch the candle to the upside. We catch price starting to break down, lower, lower, lower. We marked out this fair value gap, and price hit the fair value gap, and I was like, honestly, it did not go far enough into the 5 minute fair value gap, so I was not taking this trade. Um, what else? What else? What else? I'm nervous, babe. I'm not used to you being in the room. Um, Price ended up rejecting off of the box somewhat, but it wasn't clean enough for me. I ended up waiting for Price to actually come down and do whatever it had to do. The moment Price entered the zone right here, created some type of rejection, I entered. And I entered twice. I entered right here. Price didn't take out the high, so I literally entered once again right here. And then I got swept, so I'll kind of show you guys. This was my entry, probably like down here. Price did a little bit of rejection. And it shows you that it did that, but on my broker, it didn't take me out. I'm just going to keep it like that. I'm not even going to sit there and mess with it.
He got Rock Johnson.
May, what? Um, Also, I think it was right here that I entered. Am I tripping? Oh, I entered right here. There we go. I was so confused for a second. Okay. So after I took these two entries, I was kind of like, man, if price keeps going higher, then I got in on the wrong side. And I was kind of contemplating being in this trade, but at the same time, I wasn't in front of my desk. I'm not gonna lie to you. You know, my only excuse was I was trying to hurry up and trade because I just was very busy. I had to really up and run this morning, literally right before market open. And if we go into the 5 minute, you're going to see how clean this was for a buying signal. Yes, we took out the high, but price took out this low. Price took out this low. It doesn't matter if it goes out high, lower. It just matters if it took out liquidity. It could be lower time frame, higher time frame, whatever it may be. Price ends up taking out these liquidities. Price creates a high right here. You get a breaker structure to the upside, and then a retest. And that's just how clean it was. After the retest, it expanded to the upside. You go back to the 1 minute and look at it now. Same thing that we were just talking about. I said Christ. Price creates a low, break a structure. Also, this is an order block. Price creates a retest off this fair value gap. It's just stupid easy signals. They're like, honestly, like since I've started to really sit down and make sure that I'm studying the 5 minute, it's made my trading life a lot more easier because 1 minute is so unreliable when you don't actually have a bias. You can't rely your whole strategy on the 1 minute, and that's what I've been doing, and it's screwed me up in the long run. But babe, chill, chill. I'm sorry.
But
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. She's she had to go in the bathroom, and I just took a slam dunk in there. The best way to put it. But after we caught this loss, I was like, man, dude, I'm not even mad. You know, it is what it is. Um, I'll show you the loss that I took. Just oh gosh, I clicked the wrong thing. Right here. We caught the 7,000 as our first entry, and then we caught the 4,000 as our second entry. You zoom in. There you go. My why is it saying that I entered literally right here 2 times? I didn't enter off these two. Did I? Oh, I showed you the wrong entry. I entered off of this inverse pivot. I got retest. Oh. So I caught a valid entry, but then it got smacked. There's a little bit of a consolidating phase, and then price just took me out. It was insane. I think I lost more than I was supposed to, but it is what it is. You know, you live and you learn. I'm like enjoying this freaking trading journey because I'm learning more and more about how reliable my strategy is. It's just a process, and in the future, I'll see that money that I've been working hard to obtain. Um, I will say, glory be to God that we got here safe. I can't wait to spend more time with my wife because it's her birthday. I can't stay her long because it's not about me, it's about her. It's her day. It's a shine. No, it's every day, her day. But it's that 1 year mark where she needs to just feel more appreciated. More appreciated, more love. More appreciated, more love. Oh, goodness. But that'll be it for me today. I'm ready for tomorrow. We're gonna see what happens. I got a big journey to come back home tomorrow, but I'll still be trading. But that's it. I'll see you guys later.